Hi, in this video we are going to see the Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO recruitment notifications. And here we are going to see the three different multiple recruitment notifications from the DRDO, and coming to the salaries starting from 8,000 rupees per month to 50,000 rupees per month. So here the different qualification candidates also are the opportunities are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your requirement is not covered in this video, then please mention your subject or the requirement in the comment section. If I got any recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding these three different recruitment notifications from the DRDO. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the Paper 1 and Paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan, that the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out, guys. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of the Defense Research and Development Organization. And if you go to the careers blog, anyhow I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and more details, you please visit the official website of this one. That the link you will get from the description box of this video. Okay, and here you may check down the total 4 different advertisements are there, and out of this 4, one is a medical officer. So leaving this one, the 3 different vacancies are there. So advertisement for engagement of apprentices in 1 year in DRG Chandigarh, and the Defense Institute of Physiology and Allied Sciences Delhi invites application for the research associates, and advertisement for walk-in interview for the post of Junior Research Fellowship on 18 and 19 October at CAIR Bangalore. Okay, so first we will start with the JRF, guys. Okay, so it is a JRF recruitment notification, and here the walk-in interview is there on 18th and 19th October 2021 in the Bangalore itself. And the Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, it is a premier institute of Defense Research and Development Organization. It invites applications from young and meritorious Indian nationals who desire to pursue the advanced research for the following fellowships. Okay. So here the JRF in mathematics and the JRF in computer science. Okay, so from each and every subject one vacancy is there. And coming to the mathematics, the qualification required here is master's degree in mathematics with division both at the graduate as well as the postgraduate from any institute of the university, with a NET or GATE qualification must be mandatory, or else master's degree in mathematics with computer science with first division both at graduate and postgraduate level qualification from any institute with NET or the GATE qualification. Fine. And here the desirable knowledge is mentioned, and the duration of fellowship is 2 years. It may be extendable further and upgraded to the senior research fellowship, and the age limit is 28 years as on the closing date of receipt of application forms. Okay. And coming to the computer science, graduate degree in the professional course just like the BE or BTech in computer science or computer engineering in first division with a NET or GATE qualification must be there. So usually for the graduates there is no NET examination, especially for the computer science, so that's why the GATE qualification is necessary. And if you are having the post graduation in the computer science subject, I mean a professional course, ME or MTech, then there is no necessity of the NET or the GATE qualification. Okay. So the knowledge, desirable knowledge is mentioned here, and the 2 years and extendable further to the SRF, and the upper age limit is also mentioned here. And essential information regarding the selection process. So eligible candidates are advised to send the duly application form as per the format provided with this advertisement by email prior to the walk-in interview to this mail ID, and the last date for receipt of the application form is 8th October 2021 evening 5 o'clock. Fine. A copy of the form should be brought duly filled along with the complete biodata on the date of interview. So 18th October JRF mathematics interview and 19th October JRF computer science interview, and few guidelines are also provided, so you please check down, guys. Okay, and here the application form is also provided with this notification, so you please check out this one. Okay. And while coming to the next one, the research associate, it is a second one. So total 3 I told, and it is a second one. After completion of this one we will see the third notification. So the research associate is required PhD in the life science or physiology of having the 3 years of research experience in the related field after MTech, and publications in the indexed journals The date of interview is on 5th October 2021. The desirable job and the age limitations are also mentioned here, so you please check down. So usually for the research associate, PhD is mandatory, and approximately the salary might be 50,000 rupees per month, guys. And here the few more instructions are also provided here, so you please check down. And the application form is also kept along with this PDF. Okay, so these are the details. And if you are having any queries regarding this one, here the contact person mobile number, phone number as well as the mail ID is also provided. So if you are having any queries, then you may contact that person. Okay, and while coming to the next one, so it is a third notification from the DRDO. So in the DRGE Chandigarh, the diploma apprentice is required. Total 22 vacancies are there. So diploma in civil computers and electronics, here the number of vacancies are mentioned, as well as the stipend per month is also mentioned, 8,000 rupees per month. And the ITI apprentice is also mentioned. So ITI, COPA, hardware and networking, draftsman, surveyor, civil, geoinformatic assistant, and instrument mechanics, and the secretarial assistant. Fine. So here the number of vacancies are mentioned, and the stipend provided is 7,000 rupees per month. And the DRGE RDC Manali from Himachal Pradesh, graduate apprentice, BSc in physics, BSc in maths or the statistics. So one vacancy, and the 9,000 rupees stipend is available. And the diploma apprentice, civil and engineering and the computer science, and 8,000 rupees stipend. And coming to the ITI, they mentioned here 7,000 rupees. And in the RDC Tejpur Assam, the diploma apprentice 2 vacancies are there, 8,000 rupees per month. And the diploma apprentice in computer science is also there, 2 vacancies are there. And next one, coming to the MMC Srinagar, Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, the diploma of apprentice in computer science, 2 vacancies with 8,000 rupees per month. And the computer science is also there in the UT of Ladakh, 8,000 rupees per month. Fine. The application process is that, so application form can be downloaded from the official website, and the candidates are required to send the duly filled application form along with the desired documents or the certificates by post to the mentioned address. Fine. 21 days from the date of this advertisement. So 21 days means here itself the last is mentioned in the official website. You may check down. So the apprentice for 1 year. The last date is 17th October 2021. Fine. So total these are the different recruitment notifications, guys. So I will provide this official website link in the description box of this video. So whatever the requirement you are matching with, just click on the application form on that one. Okay. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. So if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your requirement, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get all my videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay.